will do Filipino versus Spanish part 2. Word number 1. Horse.
Caballo.
Caballo. Shoes.
Zapato.
Sapatos. Door.
Puerta.
Puerta. But in Tagalog or Filipino, it's pintuan. Open.
Abrir.
Abre. Close. Cerrado.
Cerrar. Cerrado is closed. Closed. Like the door is closed.
Cerrado.
Cerrado. Cerrada.
Cerrado. Or sira. Sira.
How you call close the door? How you say?
It's either isira ang puerta or siraduha ang puerta.
Cerrar la puerta.
No. Watermelon.
Oh, watermelon.
He doesn't know, but I know. Lava will give you. Watermelon is
Same.
sandia.
Sandía, yes. But the thing is, we also have patilla.
Patilla is straw.
No, that is pajilla. And that's in Spain. Patilla is a fruit. I think patilla is how we call it in Colombia.
We should ask your mom.
Because, yeah, no, I'm sure.
But she keeps on saying sandia mo.
Yeah, we have both. Patilla is same. We can search if you want.
Okay. Calling Señora Alba.
How you call the lock of the door? Candado.
Candado.
You say candado.
Yeah.
What is candado?
Candado is the candado.
Lock.
The lock. Yeah.
Same.
Elephant.
Elefante.
Elefante. Same. No, elefante.
Philippines is Philippines?
Philippines or Filipinas.
Philippines.
Philippines in English, Filipinas in when you say.
But in English it's Philippines.
Philippines.
But sometimes you say Philippines.
No.
No? Some people say Philippines. No?
No.
Okay.
It should be Philippines or Filipinas.
Okay.
Box, we call it caja.
Caja.
Caja as well?
Mm-hmm.
But in the cashier, the cashier, we call it caja as well, where you put the money.
Yeah, also.
No way. You
Caja.
copier.
We call it cajero.
Cajero is the one who do the caja.
Exactly, yes.
The person.
Yeah, same.
And then there's one more, the one that bake. We call it panadero.
Panadero, sí.
And then the store will be panaderia.
Panadería, sí.
The bakery.
Mm-hmm.
And one last. How you call water?
Agua.
So in Philippines, agua is water, but it's not really used. We say too big. But we call agua bendita, which is the agua in the
Agua
church.
bendita, yeah, same.
And then bendita. Agua bendita. She knows how to say too big.
Agua bendita, sí.
Yeah, but we call it too big. Like most popular. Most popular is too big. And that's it. Ciao. Thank you, love.